Good morning! I've just been eating breakfast. This is how it can look. I sit here and I use this one on my knees, and I have my computer and I have my breakfast and this lovely view. Right now I'm getting ready. It is supposed to be a thing you can go up and look down on this lake over there. So I am going to take on clothes and hopefully running, but otherwise walk. And later tonight I will work as a travel nurse here in Halmstad. So, starting my day with some workout. Trying to get some steps on my watch. 10,000 steps is my goal. So, let's go on with life today. So, before I do anything in the day, I have to fix in my RV so that everything is as it should. And I have warmth on now, and I have put on heating water because I want to take a shower later. And if I do like this when I go out now, I will have more warmth inside because a lot of heat stays down here. So that's what I have done, and now this video is soon uploaded for you tonight. I have had a little problem today to get it up. Let's see if it works out this time. I think it did. Oh, it should come up a thing here. Yeah, it worked. Right, then I can start working on the other video when I get back. And the last thing I do is doing like this, so no one can see what stuff I have. Listen. It's high. If you look like this now, it's not as high as it looks like. It's really high. Soon we will be seeing the ocean. No, the sea. This is nice. It was a big climb. See here, if I can see what it says on my watch. 2,871 steps over here. 73 meters climb. I've gone 2.52 kilometers. Yeah. I was about to say that I got all the way up here for you guys, and I actually did, but I'm a very curious person, so I just had to know how it looked up here. So almost everything I do for I want to know, I want to see, I want to explore. So that's me. That's why I have to do these things. I want to feel. Yeah. You can't see it, but all over there is my RV. I don't think you can. Yeah, you can see it. There it is. That's where I were, up on the top. Now I've gone around this lake, all over there and here. So I have been walking around this lake, and I got 5,100 steps, or well, I had 200 to 300 from the start. I'm really tired from the walk I did the other day, and my back hurts a little and my legs hurt. But so I'm back at my car. I was up there somewhere.